Hello everyone! So today I have decided to do an unboxing of one of my boxes of my subscription box company, if that makes sense. I should be doing it every single month, but I always get overwhelmed with my business and don't get around to doing it, so I'm really happy that I can do that today. So I basically have a November box with me. It is almost December, but this is the November box, this is last month's box. And I actually filmed an unboxing, I think in like May or April, and have not even posted that. So I might end up posting it just so you can see like a different box as well. And also these are all customers' boxes. Thank the universe, I actually do sell out. So I often don't have a box to unbox to show you. So this one is called Cosmic Confidence, I think. Should remember. So this is a November box. Yes, Cosmic Confidence. Looks like that. And we have got, I do all the artwork. So I do these packing booklets and I do all the artwork, and it's got a cute little lion on there. And it says, "With courage and self-belief, I will figure it out in the end." It's all to do with magical self-care. So we really do have those kind of cutesy, playful quotes and stuff just to add some positivity in your life. And then this is kind of all the information of what is inside. And then I also do a moon calendar, so you know the key moon phases of the month. And then just information on the items as well. And I draw all of this on the computer, so like the moon and stuff. Then we have a little note from me. And I designed this as well. I designed the note paper, and then I've printed the little note. And the note says, "Thanks for supporting Trinket and being part of the Trinket tribe. You're the best." And I put some extra gifts this month. So I told them what extra gifts I put. And then you've got all these things in here. Being really conscious of not making it too messy, because I actually have to give this to someone, a subscriber. So here we have got a lava stone. And it has got healing properties, but it is has more of a use. So you also get an oil, and I chose frankincense because it's Christmassy, kind of festive. So you use your essential oil on the lava stone. You don't have to, but you can. The essential oil can also be used in oil burners, and anything fragrant and aromatic that you want to add the fragrance to. You don't put it directly on your skin, but if you put a carrier oil in there, then it would be a bit safer for the skin. But I usually recommend with fragrance oils, unless it's a cosmetic, specifically a cosmetic fragrance oil. Use it more for kind of putting it on lava stones. I think it's called potpourri, I think it's called. You can put it on that, like I said, oil burners, etc., candles. So that's what the stone looks like, the lava stone. This is the oil, and you can just put that oil on the stone, and then you can put that anywhere, from putting it on your table next to you so you can smell it. You can put it in as a little spiral necklace so that you have it hanging around your neck, and you can have it with you when you're meditating as well, which is super cool. And it's a fun thing to try out because not everyone's used lava stones. And you can play with your own oils. A lot of people have their own essential oils and fragrance oils at home, so they can add a different oil if they like, and make this more kind of for their Christmassy festivity kind of celebrations, if you celebrate that. And then you get a little tea as well, a little apple tea. You get a, okay, I've just turned this upside down. You get a tea light holder this month, and it looks like this. And when you put a tea light in there, it's really, really pretty. It's really pretty. Did I say it was really pretty? I think I did. It is very pretty. Might as well say it a few times. So there's your homeware piece. I like to put some homeware in there, some healing crystals, some aromatherapy, if that's what it's called. This is actually a custom, really, really nice tea light candle that I added healing crystals to, and cloves, and it smells really Christmassy, but I don't want to open that because that is actually for a customer and I don't have an open one to show you. Just thinking if I should open it. No, I'm not going to open it. I wrapped it in a cute floral foil as well, which is really nice. And then we have the Conscious Handmade in England chocolate. It is nuts. It's got nuts. It says 4 nuts, Peruvian cacao, sweetened with coconut blossom. So there's no refined sugar. It's vegan. It's organic. It's raw. It tastes yummy. It's got all the nuts in there. It's ethical. It's made in England, and the packaging is adorable and really ties in with the theme. And it reminds you to make time for self-care, have some yummy treats, but also, you know, it has got a healthy side to it as well because of the non-refined sugars, etc. Then in here we have, so it kind of looks like this. It's got all the packed peanuts and stuff. In here we have, you get a geode crystal. So I've got one here to show you. That is not, that I don't have to unwrap. And you get the 2 halves in there. So that's really beautiful. And then next up is this badge that I designed. I don't know if you can see that. I designed that. That is my illustration, and it's a cute little button badge pin thing. And then you get a sheet of Yule style stickers just to kind of use. Just a festive little thing, additional thing. Here is some crystal information on your crystal as well. And then we have got this. Now this, I'm not going to open the customer's one, but I have got one which I will open over here. So I completely designed a Cosmic Confidence Yule decor making kit. And in this kit, actually I'm going to open this one. In this kit you have orange to symbolize love, luck, money. I'm going to carefully open this because I actually need to sell this. So an orange slice that so that represents love, luck, money, and then you've got the string, and then you've got cinnamon for success, strength, prosperity. You've got the star anise, which is for protection and divination, which I've added a glue dot to because it's a Yule decor making craft kit thing, and you actually stick the star anise onto the cinnamon stick when you're done. And all of these have magical properties, so it's not just a decoration, they're symbolic. So you've got the bell to signify celebration, but it also clears negative energy, and that's also for protection. You've got a star for hope, faith and protection, and there'll be a DIY on my Instagram, but my brand's Instagram at Trinket Treasures Box, and it's treasures with a Z at the end. That is how you can see how that's made. So you get this whole little kit that I've completely designed, and I printed the packaging, and it's really, really nice. So you get that, and then you get cute festive tape as well for any festive decorations. You can use it with your festive making kit. And then you get this really, really nice quality vegan evening goggle eye mask. So it's a face mask. It's saying, oh yeah, it's like an eye mask like this actually, and it's covered in stars. The actual design is covered in stars. It's animal cruelty free, vegan friendly, phthalates and sulfates free, and paraben free. So that's a really nice quality magical self-care item, which I really like, and it just reminds you to take care of yourself, and it's a nice quality face mask to put on your face as well. And finally we have this colouring in sheet as well, which I designed myself. and it's completely my design. And it says, I am meant for great things. So it's kind of tying in with that cosmic confidence theme with the moon and the confidence positivity quote. And then the chocolate company from the chocolate I showed you earlier gave cute little recipe cards for everyone as well. And that is it for the unboxing. I really wanted to have the element of self-care, the element of magical, the element of celestial. You've got homeware, you've got a snack, you've got a DIY, you've got aromatherapy, you've got tea, you've got healing crystals. Just so many different things to kind of uplift you, remind you to take care of yourself, have a bit of fun, just have this little treat coming in your home just to remind you of that someone cared enough to make this cute package for you, because I really care about you all. And that's pretty much it for this video, and I hope to be doing more unboxings, and I really hope you like my subscription box, hopefully, fingers crossed. And if you are interested, then I will put a discount code in the comments section for YouTube followers specifically, YouTube video people specifically. And thank you as always for watching. Sending you love, light and good vibes.